Let's take a look at what's new in Cablecast 5.0. For those familiar with Cablecast, you'll notice right away the addition of the digital file info in the main menu heads-up screen. This system currently has one invalid file and two orphan files. Click on Full Report to get a full list. Cablecast now keeps track of all the information about your files. Click on Details to get a list of the metadata associated with that file. Click Details again to hide it. If a file is highlighted in red, that means it's not valid. Click on Details to get an explanation of why the file is not playable. Towards the bottom of the screen is the orphan files list. This is a list of files on your system that don't have show IDs. You can rename a file right in the web interface, or go ahead and click New Show to create a brand new show from that file. The digital file information has been carried over to the show record. Click on the digital file info to get a list of the info associated with that file. If we go to the schedule, there's a range of new features to make scheduling easier. You can see right away that there's new icons next to each run in your schedule. A green check means that the file is valid. A red X means the file is not valid. A red question mark means the file is missing. You also have other icons for the primitive sources, such as live runs or DVDs. Dragging a file into the schedule is just as easy as it was before. But now you can also drag things in the schedule. You can even select multiple runs and drag them as one unit. Also available to make scheduling easier are keyboard shortcuts. Click on the question mark to get a list of all the keyboard shortcuts on the system. Using the keyboard shortcuts, it's really easy to select a bunch of runs, copy them, move to another day, and paste them without ever touching your mouse. Another time-saving feature in the schedule is Paste To. So I can copy these runs and then paste them to a brand new time. You can also ripple runs to a specific time. So I can take these runs and ripple them to 3 a.m. In Cablecast 5.0, Autopilot has also been completely rewritten. It's faster and takes into account the digital file management features. You can see when we send Autopilot, we get more useful reports, such as file not found, files invalid, and warning messages for bumps that are especially long. These screens can be hidden so you can focus on just what's important.